A few moments later.
I broke out the instruction manual, which was all in Italian.
Ciao friends and welcome to a new video from SQLBI.
Time for some ETL.
And this is what is known as a Super Saiyan that has ascended past a Super Saiyan.
Nice.
Why is this showing the same number? What the heck does this even mean?
A few hours later.
Works every time.
A great success!
Several days later.
This took too long to edit. Like and subscribe for Power BI content.